Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how I make the henna paste. I'm using 30 grams of Rajasthani henna powder, that is PAQ quality, and 10 grams of pure raw sugarcane sugar, and I'm using 15 ml of pure essential oil, that is eucalyptus essential oil. You can buy all of these products from the website, and I will be linking down the links to the products in the description box below. And now I will be adding water, pure filtered water, and I will be adding it gradually. I will add the water until I feel it gathers and forms a thick paste. I'm just mixing it well so that all of the henna particles get absorbed into the water, and I'm mixing it until and unless I see that the paste is nice and smooth, and I'm mixing it well. It's not necessary that you add the entire water at once. And now I'm covering it with a plastic wrap, and after the dye release, this is how it looks. And I'm just taking off the plastic and show you how the dye has released. And I kept the paste for overnight and for about 15 to 16 hours. And to check if the dye has released, the only thing you'll have to see is the top layer of the paste be of one shade, and the paste beneath the top layer be of the other shade. So that's an easy way to detect if the paste has released its dye. Or you can even do a patch test where you can just apply a paste on your palm and see if the dye has released. And now, because the paste is very thick and it has lumps, and the lumps has already broken because during the dye release process the lumps gets dissolved by itself, so you need not to do an extra effort and save your time. It's just that you have to wait for some time during the dye release process, and the lumps get dissolved itself. So you need not to do it in the beginning, while making the paste, while adding the ingredients. And now I'm adding water gradually, step by step, and I will keep adding water until and unless I feel that the paste is a little runny, because I do intricate henna designing, so I like my paste to keep intricate and runny. Approximately you can add water until and unless you see the paste is falling from spoon within the 4 seconds and not beyond it. So, and now that I'm adding water gradually, I'll see that I'll see either follow the standard method, because that's an easy way to explain you all. If you're a beginner, then it's better you start with the thick paste, and then gradually, once you get comfortable with the thick paste, you can just add more water and make it to your comfort zone. You can add water to your comfortability, and a standard timing is very easy for you to detect, because if the henna paste doesn't drop, if it drops before 4 seconds, then it means that the paste is too thin. And if it if the paste falls above, that is beyond, what is wrong with me? If the paste doesn't get dripped after 4 seconds, then it's too thick. So yes, here I'm adding more water. And if in case you have any queries and doubts, let me know in the description box. Or seriously, something is wrong with me. You can just comment down below. You can let me know your queries and your doubts, and I will be happy to share my views and my experience with you. And in the next video I will be showing you on how I roll my cones. So here it is, my paste is almost done and it's ready. You can see the cream is creamy, the henna is creamy. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.